Cheeto, do this. Wah, 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 wah. Oh.
He's never been that verbal before when he's been in here.
He's gotten louder with the new birds.
Oh.
He's really jealous.
So like maybe he's like kind of showing who's boss.
Trying to get attention.
Oh,
Make sure.
okay.
Look at me, Dad. Look at me.
Oh, okay.
Right? Let me see you do this.
Now you don't have anything to say, do you?
I want to see you flap. I want to see you flap. Flap. Come on, flap.
Okay. Okay, all right. And you said the ad is completely wrong the way it's in the paper? Okay, all right. I'll give her the message and I'll have her call you, okay? You're welcome. Bye.
Throw it to her. I don't want it. Throw it to her. It's her pen. Wrong way. Throw it to her. Over there.
She's not gonna do